Life of Joseph F. Fletcher. Joseph F. Fletcher was an American moral theologian and bioethicist known for his work on ethical relativism and situational ethics. He was born on April 10, 1905 in Newark, New Jersey and died in Charlottesville, Virginia on October 28, 1991. Fletcher studied at Wesleyan University, Harvard Divinity School, and the Episcopal Theological School before serving as a minister in various churches. He later taught at Episcopal Divinity School and Harvard Divinity School. Fletcher is best known for his book Situation Ethics, The New Morality, in which he argued that the moral value of an action should be based on the situation rather than on absolute rules. He believed in the importance of love and compassion in making ethical decisions, and he promoted the idea of agape, a selfless, unconditional love for others. In addition to his work on ethics, Fletcher was also a pioneer in the field of bioethics, exploring moral issues related to medicine, genetics, and technology. He was found he was a founding member of the Society for the Study of Medical Ethics and served as the first director of the Institute of Society, Ethics, and the Life Sciences. Throughout his life, Fletcher was a controversial figure, challenging traditional moral norms and advocating for a more compassionate and flexible approach to ethics. His ideas continue to influence discussion on morality and bioethics today.